In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner and more professional, wrapping text around an image is a great feature to use. Instead of having the picture sit awkwardly on its own line, you can place it exactly where you want and let your text flow around it naturally. This is especially useful for reports, newsletters, classroom assignments, or any document where layout matters. To get started, insert an image into your Google Doc, or select an image that's already there. If your image is already in the document, you're ready to move on. If not, just add it first so you can work with it directly on the page. Next, click on the image to display the image options. Once the image is selected, Google Docs will show a small toolbar associated with that image. This is where you'll find the layout settings that control how the image interacts with the surrounding text. From the toolbar that appears below the image, choose Wrap Text. This is the key step. As soon as you select it, the text in your document will begin to flow around the image instead of appearing only above and below it. This gives you a much more flexible layout and helps the image feel integrated into the document rather than separate from it. After that, drag the image to the position you want in the document. You can move it left, right, higher, or lower, depending on how you want the text to appear around it. As you drag, watch how the surrounding text adjusts in real time. This makes it easier to find a balanced placement that looks neat and readable. Take a moment here to position the image carefully so it doesn't interrupt the flow of your paragraph too much. If needed, adjust the margin spacing around the image using the margin controls. This setting determines how much space appears between the image and the text wrapping around it. A slightly larger margin can make your document easier to read by preventing the text from feeling too crowded against the image. On the other hand, a smaller margin can help save space if you're working with a tighter layout. Make small adjustments until it looks right for your document. And that's it. Once you've selected the image, enabled wrap text, moved the image into place, and adjusted the margins, your document should have a much more polished appearance. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your content is presented.